Hop to it. Mastering English Idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English idioms. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, hop to it. Idioms like this can be tricky, but they're also fun and a vital part of sounding fluent in English. So, let's hop to it and get started. The phrase, hop to it, is an idiomatic expression that means to start working on something immediately or to do something quickly. It is often used to motivate someone to act without delay. Imagine a rabbit hopping. It's quick and immediate. That's the energy this phrase carries. Idioms often have fascinating origins, and hop to it is no exception. This idiom likely comes from the quick movements of rabbits or frogs. These animals don't walk or run, they hop. So, when someone tells you to hop to it, they're metaphorically asking you to be as quick as a hopping rabbit. Now, let's look at how to use hop to it in everyday conversations. If your friend is taking too long to get ready, you might say, "Come on, hop to it. We're going to be late." Or, if you see someone procrastinating on their work, you could encourage them by saying, "The deadline is approaching. You better hop to it." It's also important to know when not to use this phrase. Hop to it has a cheerful and light-hearted tone, so it might not be suitable in very formal settings or when a serious action is required. It's best used in casual situations among friends or colleagues. Let's practice with a quick role play. Imagine you're in a group project, and the team is behind schedule. Use hop to it to encourage your team to pick up the pace. How would you phrase it? Try it out. And that's a wrap on hop to it. We hope this video has hopped right into your understanding of English idioms and you feel ready to use it in your daily English conversations. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be hopping through idioms with ease. Catch you in the next video.